One of the big questions we have come in is about hooking our Dosatron up to varying pipe sizes. Hi, I'm Lee with Dosatron and Dilution Solutions, and today we're going to talk about hooking Dosatrons up with multiple size pipes. The one thing that we want to be very clear on is the Dosatron units are specifically designed for a certain amount of water to go through the unit. There is a minimum and a maximum specification of water that could go through the unit. We want to make sure the downstream demand meets that specification. The pipe size is not nearly as important as the actual flow rate going through the Dosatron. This is a D14 MZ2 Dosatron. It comes with 3/4 inch NPT threaded fittings. But what if I have a 1-inch water line coming to the Dosatron? There are many options on the market as far as reducer bushings. This particular bushing is threaded to 1-inch slip pipe, and it will thread right onto the 3/4 inch threads of the Dosatron. Always make sure to use a very good, high-quality Teflon tape. Also, what if I have a small shop and I have a 1/2-inch water line? This particular bushing is a 1/2-inch bushing to 3/4 inch, and this fitting is a 3/4 inch thread to slip. So you would just get those reducer bushings, and there you'd be ready to hook up into the Dosatron. These reducers come in many sizes. If you decide you're going to do a bypass installation, you can even do the reduction from the main pipeline. This particular one is 1.5 to 1 inch. Even for larger applications, this particular reducer is from 2 inch. This bushing goes from 2 inch to 1.5 inch. So if you're using 1.5 pipe, hooking into a 2-inch unit. But always make sure that your flow rate through your Dosatron unit is correct and that you're not overflowing the unit. If you have more questions, please visit our website or give us a call.